If you thought that the only way to sell your product is posting videos or pictures of it on social media, well, you were wrong. I'm Red Bull, an amazing energy drink brand, and I have 16 million followers on Instagram and 10 million followers on Facebook. But to be honest, I rarely talk about my product. So, what do? I constantly promote a certain lifestyle, a pedal to the metal lifestyle, meaning a fast-paced and energetic lifestyle. Now, do you like to know how I do this? Before I reveal my secret, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to join our community. So, here is what I do. On Instagram, I keep posting videos of people who actually have that energetic lifestyle to show the thrilling moments and exciting experiences they have in their lives. And that's not all. I have also created an online community so that my customers and those interested in this kind of lifestyle could talk about the passion they all share for sports, music, entertainment. And what was the outcome? According to one analyst, rather than just being a producer of energy drinks, I am a top brand in athletics and sport photos. How are your sales figures so high, you might ask? That's a good question. Before I tell you, I'd appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Well, my sales are so high because people love my content, and I have found a special place among the members of my target market. And anytime someone thinks about buying an energy drink, my name, Red Bull, is what they think about, and my products are what they reach for. Don't miss our future stories, and don't forget to subscribe.